and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we'll show you how to use Pandora FMS Update Manager. Before starting explaining how this tool works, you should check the php.ini file, which is normally found inside the directory /etc. If for some reason you don't find it there, use the following command and it will indicate the path where the file is located. Within this file, check that the memory_limit parameter is set to at least 100 megabytes. If not, change it. In addition, we recommend you to back up your files before starting the update process. Finally, it is important to know that this feature can only be used in standard installations. Now we go to the tool. This tool is located in the penultimate box of the side panel, and it is divided into two types of use: online mode and offline mode. The online mode needs an internet connection to be able to update the packages from the official Pandora FMS repository. The open version is updated automatically, but it is not reviewed by the team. On the other hand, updates for the enterprise version are reviewed by Pandora FMS team, and they are used to update the console. And from version 7.55, they are also used for the enterprise server. In this case, we're going to update Pandora FMS version 7.56 in both ways. For the first one, we will do it through the online mode. First, check that you have correctly configured the Update Manager options section, and once verified, access the Update Manager online. Here you may see your current version, the ability to see details about added items and bug fixes for the next update, and two options to choose from: updating to the next version or updating directly to the latest version available. I'm going to use the option to update to the next version. Click on Update to the next version and a window will appear asking you for confirmation about what you're going to do. As we said before, from this version on, Pandora FMS server will also be automatically updated. Let it finish installing. Once it is finished, you will be able to see in the lower section of the console the version of the console, and if it has changes that may be in the database applied. To verify this data, we'll leave you in the description a table where Pandora FMS versions are related to the respective MR. The server will take a little longer to install, so wait a few seconds. To check that the server has been updated, go to the servers section, which shows the current version they are. Now update using the Update Manager offline. For this type of update, you must have an official support account in Pandora FMS. This option is available for enterprise version users. In case of not having this account, contact your salesperson to provide it to you. Once you access this page, download each of the packages with the OUM extension until you reach the version you want. These packages are responsible for updating the console. Once downloaded, go to Update Manager offline, and here you may click Search or drag the package on this selection. Look for the package of the next version to the one you currently have, since through this method you have to update the versions one by one and in an orderly manner. Once you have selected the package to install, a text box will appear with all the files that will be modified in this version. If you agree, click on 100% and it will ask you for confirmation for the update. If the installation has been correct, a text will appear confirming it. Remember that OUM packages are used to update the console. If you also want to update the server, download the .tar.gz file of the latest version of Pandora FMS server that you are going to install and apply. In addition, from version 7.55 onwards, you also have a new feature regarding console updates. This feature is a hotfix numbering, which can be seen at the bottom of the console. Let's take an example with hotfix 7.56.1. To apply it, carry out the same procedure as if you were to update the console. Select the hotfix package and apply it. As you will see below, the OUM has changed to 7.56.1. so you may find out what hotfixes you have applied to the console more easily. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you like the video, smile, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Any suggestions, questions or ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you may contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you on social media and in future learning videos.